Setting up the machine. Step 1. Turn on the machine. To turn the machine on, plug in the device using the supplied mains adapter. There is no power button, the machine will start automatically. Step 2. Self-calibration. The machine will show calibrating, please wait. You must not place any samples or items while this is happening. Step 3. Measure. Within 15 seconds, you are ready to start scanning. Measurement guidelines. When scanning, there are important things you need to remember. Make sure to place the sample flat onto the sensor. Avoid prints and labels. Don't move the sample. Fold thin samples. Don't cover transparent samples with your fingers. Avoid liquids or contamination. Dry the samples and avoid food residues. For more information, check out our website at matoha.com.